पार्टी
न्यूड पार्टी
न्यूड पार्टी ते ते कोण फेक न्यूज आसता तेजो कोण इन्क्वायरी चालू आहा न्ही कोण मेळना तांकां
मोबाईल नंबरूच
तेजे कांय मेळून चालू आहा न्ही
सर काय ना
आमी थंय सोडटले अशें कितें करीतालो गोंयचें नांव पेड्यार करीतालो कसली पार्टी चलता तेजे हांव सिरियस आसा सारको अशें कितें आसा तुमकां कितें रिपोर्ट मेळटालो सांगा घालया तेजेर समजोच
अरे म्यूट पार्टीचो व्हायरल जाला म्हाका मेळ्ळो पळय न्ही तुमच्या एका रिपोर्टरान म्हाका धाडलो हांवें समजो DGPक धाडलो तेन्नाच आनी ताजेर ऑलरेडी एक्शन घेवपाकूय सुरू केला एकटो आमी लोकेटूय केला खंय केला तें सांगना आतां
somebody has planted this, has downloaded some photograph from the internet and created some sort of a party scene and has posted it on the net to show Goa in a different format. Means the destination Goa is being targeted. Destination Goa is being shown in a wrong way, in a manner in which vulgarity, woman is shown in a very bad. We respect woman. They cannot be shown in that portrait. So according to me, it could be an inside hand, it could be an outside hand. Somebody who is against the government may have done it, or somebody who is against the state, because we are flourishing, we are getting so many tourists, they must be doing it.